Malling Dampmølle housing complex by CEBRA in Malling, Denmark. In Malling, a stone's throw from Aarhus, CEBRA melds historical reverence with contemporary living in the newly built housing complex of Malling Dampmølle. The new community reimagines the site of a historical steam mill, integrating 52 modern dwellings into the fabric of the existing suburban tapestry. The project offers a distinct approach to residential design that honors the area's heritage while embracing modern lifestyles. Malling is a small and typical Danish market town located by the railway running through Jutland and connects to Aarhus. On the historical site, which used to accommodate the steam mill Malling Dampmølle, Malling Steam Mill, in the 19th century, CEBRA was commissioned to design a small housing community, right between the station and the local church of the suburban satellite town. The housing project, named after the historical site, comprises 52 dwellings and is located between two primary roads in Malling, Gammel Oostergaardsvej and Holmskovej. Along Gammel Oostergaardsvej, which connects the city's main street with the station, Malling Dampmølle rises with a distinctive facade that spans from one floor towards the station to 3 floors towards Bredgade. Towards Holmskovej, Malling Dampmølle appears as a coherent building complex, withdrawn from the road to minimize traffic noise. The geometry creates intimate environments. The housing complex is a variation of the terraced house typology designed around 3 central courtyards, creating a shape like a huge mill wheel. The yards open towards the surroundings as the wings radiate out from the center of the plot to create an irregular star plan, shaped by the oblique angles of the site perimeter. Thus, the 3 courtyards form a series of small private environments for the residents, while the shape articulates the historical context of the former steam mill area. Based on the project's urban context and a thorough analysis of the daylight conditions on site, the project's main thrust was born. By pulling the roof surface up and down, the volume rises only towards the center of the site, not to cast shadows onto the adjacent private garden. Based on the same logic, only the gables of the building come near the site boundary, making it appear small and less intruding to the nearby neighbors. In addition to scaling down the building volume, the enclosed spaces offer intimate outdoor environments and a protected buffer zone between the privacy of the homes and the public streets framing the development. A distinct interpretation of the urban fabric. The idiom of the project finds its inspiration in the urban context, both in materials and scale. The urban fabric consists of small and mostly detached brick houses, which occasionally connect to form actual street facades. Thus, traditional roof pitches made from shale and brick facades make Malling Dampmølle a contemporary interpretation of the surrounding buildings. The housing complex is constructed using traditional, robust materials which have a very long lifespan and require minimal maintenance. The exterior walls are made of dark bricks with dyed joints, roofs of natural slate with zinc flashings and gutters. Capping and window ledges are presented in lacquered aluminum, while windows and doors are made of wood on the inside and lacquered aluminum on the outside. Roofs and facades are kept in the same dark shade and with minimal detailing, so the entire development is experienced as one cohesive sculpture. The shape of the roof made it possible to design a great variety of different housing units in plan and geometry, supporting and attracting social diversity, which is key to sustaining any well-functioning community. The housing units include single-story homes with direct access to gardens and staircases, and 2-story terraced houses with direct access at the first floor level, while one of the terraced houses is single-story. All units feature balconies overlooking a communal courtyard.